We are going to see in this video some concepts about polygons, what a polygon is, its parts and elements, its properties, and some ways for classifying them. These two figures we have here are polygons. Let us check their common characteristics in order to give a definition of polygon. Both figures are closed, that is, within boundaries. They are plane because they constitute a flat surface, and they are bounded by segments A, B, C, D, E, F, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So we can define polygon as the closed plane figure bounded by line segments. Let us identify now the parts and the properties of every polygon, and for doing so, let us look at this polygon here. On it, we can identify one of every polygon's parts, their sides, which are each of the line segments that bound them. Every one of the line segments A, B, C, D, E, and F are sides of the polygon. The vertices of the polygons are the points where two sides meet. For instance, this point F, where sides E and F meet, is a vertex of the polygon. A diagonal of the polygon is the line segment that joins two non-consecutive vertices. If the line segment that joins two consecutive vertices is a side, a diagonal is the line segment that joins two non-consecutive vertices. If on this polygon we join vertex C to a non-consecutive vertex like vertex E, this line segment is a polygon's diagonal. Finally, the interior angles of a polygon are the angles that two adjacent sides form at the vertex where they meet inwards. This angle that forms sides A and F at vertex A inwards is an interior angle of the polygon. Let us also check the properties of the polygons. It is closed, that is, it ends where it begins. It is bounded by line segments, that is, there is no side which is not a line segment. Also, two consecutive sides meet at a vertex. There are only two sides meeting at any vertex of the polygon, for example, at vertex E meet only sides D and E. Two consecutive sides are not collinear, that is, that they do not form a straight angle, a 180-degree angle. And finally, that every side starts where the former side ends. Here we can see that side B starts where side A ends, that side C starts where side B ends, etc. And the same here, side B starts where side A ends, side C starts where side B ends. So one can draw the full polygon without lifting the pencil from the paper, ending where the polygon starts. If we start drawing this one at point A, we can go on B, C, D, E, F, and we end at point A again. The same here, we start drawing this one at point A, and we can go on B, C, D, E, F, G, and we end at point A again. And the same here, we start drawing this one at point A, and we can go on B, C, D, E, F, and we end at point A again. Let us see now different ways for classifying polygons. Polygons can be classified in three different ways, according to how their sides and angles are with each other, or according to the amplitude of their interior angles, or according to the number of sides they have. If we classify them according to how their sides and angles are with each other, there are three types of polygons. Regular polygons, when they have congruent sides and congruent angles. Irregular polygons, when not every angle is congruent with everyone else. And finally, star polygons, which are regular polygons, that is, they have congruent sides and congruent angles, where their sides join non-adjacent vertices, following a pattern until ending the polygon at the first vertex. If we classify polygons according to the amplitude of their interior angles, there are convex polygons when every interior angle is less than 180 degrees, and concave polygons when there is at least one interior angle that is greater than 180 degrees. Finally, we can classify polygons according to the number of sides. A 3-side polygon is a triangle, a 4-side polygon is called a quadrilateral, a 5-side polygon is a pentagon, a hexagon is the polygon that has 6 sides, a heptagon is a polygon with 7 sides, an octagon is a polygon that has 8 sides, a 9-side polygon is a nonagon, a 10-side polygon is a decagon, an endecagon is an 11-side polygon, a dodecagon if it has 12 sides, etc.